In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your lunch to your broadcast, and you'll also be adding breakfast. So if you go to the Canvas page, how to add your lunch, you can click on the website right here, which takes you to the school website. It might have you accept the terms the first time. You do not need to create a profile, so you can close that. Make sure you are at Bingham Middle School, and then sometimes it defaults to lunch, from snack, defaults to snack, so you'll click on lunch. And so you'll need to make sure you're in the correct month. My broadcast is the 16th, so I'm going to come in here for the 16th, and this is where I'm going to put my information. And so I'm going to go down to the 16th. You can see that they have everything that they're going to possibly offer students here on this menu. And so all you need to focus on are the entrees and the cold sack lunch, or what we call here at Bingham is the grab and go. So I know that the hot lunch is chicken nuggets, and the grab and go is an Italian wrap or a chicken salad sandwich. That's what the CKN stands for. If you're not sure what abbreviation is, you can always ask your teacher. So, lunch first. So I'm going to grab some text, and I'm going to use 2 of them. So I'm going to have 2 here, and I'm going to write today's lunch. And I'm going to separate it. And then I'm going to write hot lunch was chicken nuggets. And then I'm actually going to have a third one on here. So I have the text line for that. And I'm just making them all the same to make it easy. And I'm going to move my playhead so I can see in between. And then this is the grab and go. Italian. Or chicken salad sandwich. Okay, and so I have all of these and they're listed here, and I want to make sure that they're going to be text that I will be able to see on the background. So you want to make sure that they're easily seen, so you might have to come in here and change the color so that they're easy to see, or make it brighter. Okay, and so make sure that you are paying attention to those same rules that we use for all of our text on the screen. So now I have lunch, and now I'm going to do breakfast. And so now I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to scroll up to the top, and I'm going to click on breakfast. Now, my broadcast is the 16th, so I need breakfast for the 17th. Okay, and so September, make sure I've got September here, and you scroll down and you look at the breakfast for September, and the breakfast is mini strawberry pancakes. So now I'm going to take my terms, or the words that said lunch, or I can just get new ones. So we can switch it up, and I'm going to say tomorrow's breakfast. And it was mini strawberry pancakes. Okay, and then I hit save. Oh, I need to make sure that they're not on top of each other. And then you need to go ahead and watch this and make sure it looks exactly the way that it should. Okay, so it comes in, people can read it, and then it switches to breakfast. And now you're going to record your voice. And so you'll start this at the beginning, and you'll come up here to My Media, and you'll click narrate, and you will record yourself saying, today's lunch is, and then you'll read it, and then you'll also say tomorrow's breakfast or Monday's breakfast, depending on whatever day it is that you're doing your recording. And then you'll have a voiceover right below audio 1. So music will be happening during your voiceover. You'll have to listen to it again. You may need to turn down your music for this portion, but you should still have music for the lunches. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your teachers.